Good morning. Today we are going to see the topic transpositional cipher techniques in the subject information system security for BTech 6th Sem students. And my name is Megha Garg. So let us start with transpositional cipher techniques. In transpositional cipher techniques, it is a cryptographic method by moving letters or elements around rather than replacing them with some other elements. So we are not going to replace the elements, instead we are just going to change the position of the elements. Like here we are given the plain text, meet me tomorrow. Encryption is given as for every word, the last letter is replaced by first, the second last is replaced by the second letter, and so on. So me becomes EM. In tomorrow, W becomes the first letter, then O becomes the second letter, then R becomes the third letter, and so on. So this is how we encrypt it. And to decrypt it, what we do is we again transpose it, like we convert it from the first letter becomes the last letter, and so on, and we get the original message. In rail fence cipher, what we do is it involves writing a message in a diagonal format in a grid. So we are given the plain text, textbook, page 3. We have to encrypt it. We write it as, let's say this is T, EXT is not written. Then book, then page, then 3. Then we organize it in groups of 4 and we use the first letter. So we write T, then B, then P, then T, and then E. So T, B, P, T, E. Next we will take the 2 letters. So we will take E, X. And then we will take like here we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 E, T, just 1 minute. E, T. So this is text. So you take the one alternate ET, then for book you take OK, then you take AE, and then you take HE, and then the remaining letters. So this is how the encryption is done. So this is the rail fence technique decryption. So again we write it in diagonal format and get the text. Next is root cipher. In root cipher, this is the method where message is written in the form of rectangle choosing a root around the grid. So here we are using the spiraling inside clockwise direction. So this is the text. We write here meet me here tomorrow night and replace the last word with the X. And we start spiraling. So what we do is we start spiraling from here. So TEEM, then MRMOG, then HTX, then IROEHEEODWNIR, and so on, and we come to the end T. This is the end. So this is how we get the root cipher. In simple columnar technique, we use the column ordering. So let's say the column ordering is 8, 5, 1, 4, 3. So first 8 will come, SFCK, then ERTG, then AVEJ, then WCLE. So this is how we do the simple columnar transposition. It is simple, but it can be hacked very easily. So we can do double columnar transposition also. We do one time simple columnar and again we do simple columnar transposition on that. So once we do, again we do that, and that is the ciphertext 2. So ciphertext 2 is difficult to decrypt or encrypt, means the attacker cannot find it very easily. Thank you.